So the principle is there's no such thing as guaranteed, but the cool thing about it is, here is the question. I'm asking people, do you want to invest 100,000 of your money in one apartment building deal, which is syndication with John Doe over there? And if something goes wrong, they're going to do what's called a capital call. A capital call, that means the fund manager, the syndication manager is going to call you and is going to say, I know you invested 100,000. We got 50 investors here, and we got a problem because the roof is blown off because of the hurricane and the insurance only covered so much. We still need an extra $30,000. So we need all investors to come in with so much money. And we also need to do this, or we need to do that, or we have a lawsuit, etc. And we're not covered, we forgot to do this, we didn't renew that. But is that safer, or is it when you invest in a debt fund where there is a lot of assets, not just one, but a lot of assets, and you don't get any capital calls? So you put your 100,000 in the fund, and you have no liability. You have zero liability because nobody can come after you for a lawsuit. It's like you invest in IBM, for example, or you invest in a mutual fund. IBM stock goes up and down, there are some issues, or a mutual fund where you have so many other stocks and shares of companies. And if the CEO, I don't know, had sexual harassment case, nobody's gonna come after you because you're an investor. That's how a fund works. The principle stays solid and impact because you have liquidity. You have all these people investing, you have different types of assets, you buy and sell some. Like you just heard Malcolm, he's gonna do some loans here, and then some loans will come due, they'll be paid off, some properties you'll have to foreclose on, so there'll be bigger money and all this. But anytime somebody wants to cash out, they will cash out their full principal plus accrued interest. So it's very hard to lose that principal because it's being deployed as part of a conglomerate of assets that are dynamic in terms of movements. So the risk is mitigated. So when we present, we say we are mitigating the risk, we are controlling the process, we are lowering the exposure. These are the proper words the SEC like to hear.